Hi everyone, hope you're having a great day. Today we will be learning how we can install an antivirus or anti-malware plugin in our website. On WordPress, click on plugins. Now click on add plugin. Now here search for Wordfence. It is a popular plugin on WordPress, so with 5 million plus active installations. Click on install now. Now click on the activate button. Now you have to get your license activated on your website for Wordfence. For that, click on get your Wordfence license. Now here are paid packages and we'll go with the free one right now. Let's see. If you click on this button, I'd like real-time protection, it will lead you to check out of the paid plan. But we have to go to the free one. So let's cross it. Now click on the get free license and click on I'm okay waiting for 30 days. Now here, write your email, any Gmail account and press it no and then register. Now WordFence has sent you an email ID. So with the license. So let's go to the email box and see. Here you have two options. One is that you click on install my license automatically and it will do it. And the other one is manual installation. Here you can see the license. I'll hide it as it is a for security purposes. Copy the manual installation license here and then go to your website again. Now click on install and exit license here and then enter email which you have given before and enter the license key below it. Paste it and put it no for, or you can put it yes as well. It's your choice. I prefer keeping it no and click on install license. Here you can see Wordfence is working. Now go to dashboard. It stated that license has been installed. Now we'll run a quick scan to see if there are any vulnerabilities, malware, or any issues in our website, just like any antivirus we do. So for that, on the left sidebar, you have to, in under the Wordfence section, click on scan. And then you have to click on start new scan here. Now it will take a few minutes depending on your size of your website and it will tell all the issues. So I'll speed up this part. So now as you can see, all the files and codes are scanned in the website. There it has found two issues. One is the theme Astra needs an upgrade and it is a medium issue, we'll upgrade it, no issue. And the second one is two password skip and it's a low issue, so we can ignore it. So it sets a priority, medium, low, and high. So you can see the details from here and then resolve the issue. That's simple. So, and you can also, when you have a lot of issues, you can also delete the malware or malicious codes and repair from here. And before that, you have to take the backup using the all-in-one WP plugin before doing anything like this, because if anything crashes, you can simply restore the website to its current state. So click on backups here. You can check in my other past videos as well. When you click on backups in all-in-one plugin, here you can simply create a backup. And then when you click on three dots, you can download it on your PC. So Let's get back to WordPress versions plugin, and that's it. That's so easy. So you can simply do this by yourself. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe my channel for more videos like this. Have a great day. Bye bye.